Watch your thoughts, don't turn away. See what's inside night and day. Thought after thought, a swirling flight. They're just illusions, not the light. For what? To accept and let them go. To love yourself again, to grow. To be inspired to create. That's why you stop, that's why you wait. So every